The line revision sheet 1, question 16. If the point minus 2a is equidistant from the line 4x plus 3y minus 3 equals 0 and 12x plus 5y minus 13 equals 0, find the value of a. So just to be clear, there's two lines here. We've got the point minus 2a in between them. And let's say this is 4x plus 3y minus 3 equals 0. And this line is 12x plus 5y minus 13 equals 0. All that we know is the distance from here is the same as the distance from here. Those two distances are the same. So we're dealing with the distance from a point to the line. So our distance from the point to the line formula. Our distance from the point to the line formula is found on page 19. It's the first formula. It's the absolute value of ax1 plus by1 plus c all over the square root of a squared plus b squared. The a, the b, and the c refer to the equation of the line you're dealing with. A, as long as it's in the right order, x is first, then y's, then c's, and x1, y1 is the point you're checking. I'm going to find the distance now from minus 2a to both these lines. I marked them a, b, c, x1, y1. I've written down my formulas. Now the question is equidistant, so I know my two answers will be equal. So now fill into your formula. Once you have it simplified, or once you have it substituted into both formulas, now simplify both. Bring them down to their simplest form, and now we're going to have to deal with our absolute value signs. This is where you have two choices. You can square both sides. Squaring both sides will make everything definitely positive and will remove the absolute value signs. Or you can get the positive and the negative of one of the sides. It doesn't matter which. Makes no difference. In your written solutions, they square, and here I'll just do the other one so that you have both. So I'm going to say that minus 11 plus 3a all over 5 is equal to both the positive and the negative of minus 37 plus 5a over 13, and do them individually. I'll do the positive version first. Left with minus 11 plus 3a over 5 equals minus 37 plus 5a. So we get rid of our fractions. The 5 on the left is dividing. It'll come over to multiply, and the same with the 13. Once you bring them over to multiply into your brackets and solve, giving you a equals minus 3. Now we'll do the negative version. So be careful, the negative now is going to affect the signs inside here. Once you have that set up, it's exactly the same process. So once you've reduced down, you're left with 5.125, your two values. When you get two values, just double check your question in case one of them is restricted. They didn't mention two values here, but they haven't restricted any values of a, so these two stand as our answer.